What if I told you this helped me eat healthier than this? I know it sounds completely backwards, but for almost 2 years, I thought healthy eating had to be miserable. I stopped eating junk food, I hit my protein goal every day, and on paper, it seemed that I was doing everything right. But in reality, I was getting sick and tired of eating the same boring, lifeless meals over and over again. French toast, brownies, apple cake, apple crisp, blueberry cake, pumpkin bread. I made every one of these and they're all healthy. They're packed with protein, they're made with all healthy ingredients, and somehow I was actually getting more nutrients than before. The biggest difference wasn't even the nutrition. It was that I actually wanted to eat the food. If you enjoy eating, staying consistent becomes so much easier, and I know they won't taste as good as your favorite desserts, but I know they'll taste a whole lot better than this.